Hey guys, Abdul here. I recently made a video where I showed you how to create a virtual machine with VirtualBox, but then I thought, what if you want to make the hard disk bigger? So I made a little program available through the link below that allows you to expand the virtual hard disk, and in this video I'll show you how to use it. To get started, you want to open up the link below and click the download button. It should say VBox diskexpander.exe, and then once it's downloaded you want to open it. Then click more info and run anyway. Keep in mind, in order to use this tool, VirtualBox must be installed in the default directory and all virtual machines must be stored in the default user directory. The next thing we need to do is follow the instructions written here. So we need to open VirtualBox and click on the settings for the selected virtual machine. So in this case I'm going to be using Windows 7 virtual machine. Click Settings and then go to the Storage tab and remove the virtual hard disk from the list by checking the red minus icon. So we go Storage, click on the disk icon and then click the red minus icon, and then we close out of VirtualBox. The next thing we need to do is enter the name of the virtual machine. In my case the virtual machine is called Windows 7. Then you click Enter, and then you want to enter the exact name of your virtual machine hard disk with the correct file extension. By default, it will be the name of your virtual machine with the extension .vdi. Let's go Windows 7.vdi, and then press Enter. And next it will ask us how big we would like to resize the virtual hard disk to. In my case, I'm going to make it 28 gigabytes, so 28, and then add 3 zeros, and then press Enter. It'll go through a completion bar, and then the program will finish. The next thing we need to do is go back to VirtualBox, select the virtual machine, and click Settings, and then Storage, and then click this little plus icon at the bottom, and then Add a hard disk. Choose Existing, and then we want to select our virtual machine's hard disk, and click Open, OK. And then we want to start the virtual machine. Then you want to open File Explorer, and go Computer. And here you'll see the disk is no bigger than it was before when you first created it. So the last thing we need to do is resize the primary partition. So what you want to do is press Start and then type in disk and then click Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. It'll open Hard Disk Management, and then all of this unallocated space here is what we're going to add on to this, the C drive. So you right click and go Extend Volume, and then click Next, and then click Finish. And there you go. And that's how you expand the hard disk of a virtual machine. The tool I used in this video will be linked below as I stated earlier. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, see you all next time.